Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Chris from Flores Media. Today I want to show you a quick tutorial on how I approach sharpening within Lightroom, right? So right here I got a picture of a wedding that I took over the weekend. Very open, the walking out picture. I got my preset right here called Glowy Days, which these presets will be available pretty soon. So stay tuned, check them out, follow me on Instagram, Facebook so that you guys know when they're live, all right? But anyways, let's go down here to our sharpening tool, and here is my secret. So I'm gonna zoom in on the focus of my picture. I'm gonna max out my sharpening just to make it easier for me to see. I'm gonna bring everything down, and I'm gonna hold the Option key on a Mac. I think it's Alt on a PC, and look what happens. Everything turns gray, and you could see just what the sharpening is doing, right? So it makes it so much easier to figure out what's going on, right? So let's dial in this picture. So I'm gonna keep it moderate right there. 1.8, you could really see the bokeh kind of come back out, stand out a little bit more. And the detail, you'll notice how the roughness on the skin comes back. I want it to look pretty natural. I don't want it to look just completely 100% smooth. So I'm gonna dial it up to about there. And then the masking, you'll see it affecting the whole picture or right down to the very minute sharp line details, right? So I like it to look a little bit more natural, it's balanced. So I'm gonna call that right there about fine, just for this video. And right there, we've got it dialed in with the sharpness. You'll see it before sharpening, after sharpening. You might say, hey, it looks a little weird. Remember, we did dial this up all the way, so let's bring it back down. Just to wherever you're happy, and then these numbers are not set in stone. You find your perfect range, and there we go. All right, not sharpened, sharpened. She stands out a little bit more. And then in the next video, I'll show you how to work with noise reduction to clean this up a little bit more, all right? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are in the description, all right? Peace.